I am Probal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss ring theory. Okay, ring theory. I have written the definitions. I just discuss what is ring theory. Okay, let's start. Let R be a non-empty set, then R plus dot, where plus and dot are called addition and multiplications. Be careful. Plus means addition and dot means multiplication respectively is called a ring if it has a following three properties. One is R plus is an abelian group and R dot is a semi group. And number three, distributive law. It's called distributive law for all ABC belongs to R. A comma B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C, and B plus C A is equal to B dot A plus C dot A. So friends, must remember R plus is abelian group and R dot is semi group. Now friends, this is the very important. What is group? What is before ring theory we have to know group. What is group? Friends, when it is when a set group is a, suppose G is a set, okay, is a set. G is a set where each element and where for all A belongs to G. Okay, so for all A belongs to G, A comma B belongs to G, and A dot B also belongs to G, means it is hold also closure property. And another fact is A dot B plus A plus C, A composed, okay, under the G, and A composed B composed C, and operation is composition. Okay, so A composed B composed C is equal to A composed B composed C. This property is called associative property. Associative property holds, associative property holds, closure property holds, and another property is inverse property. A composed B is equal to E. E for identity element. So friends, another is A, and where B is inverse. So friends, four property also hold in group theory. In group theory, you closure property, associative property, identity property, inverse property. If it is hold, then it is called group. But abelian group means commutative property also hold. It holds commutative property. Like A composed B is equal to B composed A. This property also hold. So G and composition is called a group, and a group, and if it is hold its community property will hold, then it is called abelian group. This group is called abelian group. So friends, R plus is R with respect to addition operator, it is abelian group, and R with respective multiplication, it is semi group. What is semi group? Semi group is very important. Semi group is nothing when G is composed a binary group, and where associative property hold. A composed B composed C equals to A composed B composed C. This property will hold, then it is called associative property. Semigroup means only associative group and closure property will hold. Then this property is called semigroup. And semigroup. So friends must remember that this property, one is abelian group, another is semigroup. In semigroup with respect to multiplication, and abelian group with respect to addition. Then R plus comma dot is called ring, and after the distributive law also hold. Distributive law means A dot B plus C and B plus C dot A, BA plus CA, this property hold. So this is called ring. This is very, very, very important. Now I am coming from concept. With respect to CSIR aspect I discuss concept. What is the concept? From the ring, the identity, number one, the identity element of R comma plus. R comma plus is denoted by 0R. Okay, it is denoted by 0R or 0. This is the identity element and is called 0. Called 0 element. Is called 0 element. And number 2, the identity element of R comma dot. The identity element of R comma dot is denoted by 1 or 1. And commutative group, the group is commutative, means R plus dot is commutative. When it is commutative, friends, it is commutative if dot is commutative, means semigroup R comma dot is commutative semigroup. Commutative semigroup means simple A dot B equals to B dot A. Then it is semigroup for all A comma B belongs to R. And ring theory example of the ring theory. Now I am coming example of the ring theory. Must pause it, friends. Must pause it and write everything. I hope that you can understand what is ring. Very simple, nothing. But remember that R plus dot is called a ring if R plus is abelian group and R dot is semigroup. And what is semigroup? Semigroup means associative property hold. Friends must remember associative property hold. Then it is associative property and closure property hold. Then it is semigroup, and group means there are 4 property hold. One is inverse property, associative property, closure property, and identity element exists. So then this set is called group under the composition under any operation. Means means start of operation, but under this any operation, then it is a group. And ring theory means R plus is abelian, R dot is semigroup, and distributive law also hold. A B comma C belongs to R. A dot B plus C equals to A dot B plus A dot C, and B plus C dot A equal to B dot A plus C dot A. So friends, very simple, just remembering point. Ring theory and concept is identity element of R comma plus is denoted by 0R or 0, and the identity element of R comma dot is denoted by 1, and R plus comma dot is commutative if dot is commutative. So friends, next example of ring. example of ring. One is exercise size 1, z plus comma dot q plus comma dot r plus comma dot and c plus comma dot. R Z for integer, set of integer, Q for set of rational number, R for real number, and C for complex number. Integer set, and it is rational number, and it is real number, and it is complex number. So this is the example of the ring. Another is matrix ring. Units. Now I discuss unit. Unit is very, very important. Units definitions. Let R be a ring. R be a ring with one. An element A belongs to R is said to be a unit. Is said to be a unit or invertible if there exists B belongs to R such that AB is equal to BA. AB is equal to BA equals to 1. Then A is unit. And invertible B belongs to A belongs to BA. So A is said to be unit or invertible. A is said to be invertible. AB dot BA is equal to 1. So A is unit and B is inverse. A such note. Note is such a B is unique and is called as multiplicative inverse and is called the multiplicative inverse. Example is very simple. Z plus comma dot. Find unity. This type of questions is coming CSIR NET GATE examination. A lot of examination, not CSIR, not of MSc entrance, a lot of entrance examinations. This type of question is coming like Z plus dot. Find unity of Z. Find unity of Z. How you can? Z means Z equals to, I can write 0 comma plus minus 1. This is the plus minus 2 and plus minus 3 dot. And after that, for 0 belongs to Z and you cannot get 0 dot a dot 0 is equal to does not equals to 1. So 0 does not equals to UZ. Okay, unity of Z is denoted by UZ Unity of Z is denoted by UZ. And for example 1, 1, whatever we get, 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. This is also another is for minus 1 dot minus 1 we get 1. So unity of z is 1 comma minus 1, but unity, but 2 into half is equal to also 1, but 1 by 2 does not belongs to z. So I cannot get any element except 1 and minus 1 which is unit element. So unit element is only 1 and minus 1. Must remember.